out here on the Wolf River, bank fishing, shore fishing, and we're gonna go after some big fish today.
That next little bend?
Yeah. Yeah, we'll see what's up there. I'm gonna help you rig up 2 of your poles.
I'm gonna throw these on the bottom, catch a couple suckers.
Yeah, get those in first for sure.
But no, I'm gonna have you rig up my lines.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you how. Yep.
No, it's the least you can do for me.
You need to learn how to make a Wolf River rig.
No, I don't. You need to know how to make an Escanaba River rig.
I know. You just throw anything in the water and leave it sit.
That's so true.
Escanaba. You gotta have a hams in one hand and a rod in the other.
Why is there so much rocks here?
It's a river bank. I don't know what you're trying to say.
I see this river. I got these pout pounders. Good for eel pout, walleye. It doesn't say sucker, but I'm gonna have to let them know they need to put sucker on there. River sucker. It's that little bit of glow down there. There ain't no fish here. No, I'm not doing that.
I'm showing you how.
Yeah, you show me how you rig up one and then I'll rig up the next one.
Yeah. You need to learn this. This is important. Dude, it would crush up by you.
These, this Wolf River rig, I mean, it's not an actively fished, right? It's still sitting on the bottom, basically.
It's off the bottom.
Yeah, because of the floating jig head.
Correct.
But you're still fishing it just like this.
Yeah, but you can pump it if you want, and you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Long line it from a boat. Jamo's got one.
It does not feel bad.
No, it looks good.
But they're big suckers.
Yeah,
I
it's
don't
nice.
think you're in this line.
Give her a go, babe. She's got one.
2 for, oh, it came off, but she had one. Yeah. It's not ready yet.
Squirrely sucker.
Yeah, it's not ready yet. All right, here we go. There we go. All right.
I've never seen a sucker.
They call them.
See the ones that we get.
They call
Like
them
an
mullies.
algae eater.
The ones
call
that we
them
catch
mullies.
in Perkins, way nicer than that. I don't think I want to keep that. Is that how big they're all going to
Our
be?
daughter takes a picture of that.
You want little ones?
A little smaller than that.
Yeah. Nice job.
He took my bait.
First fish of the day.
He took my bait.
Yeah.
Greasy.
Oh, they're greasy. Yeah, you bet.
Hit him.
Is he there? Yeah, I think so.
Smaller one.
Might be the one you're looking for. Could be a walleye. Walleyes! That's a better one.
No, I want you to.
Just throw him in the thing.
Fish on. Oh yeah, it's a big one.
He was pinwheeling.
He was. He knows what to do. He's old and wise. He's been through this before.
So I don't know. That's about what he felt like.
Yeah, and that's just on a jig, right? Both of those have been on jigs?
Oh, just a little pout pounder.
Yeah, dude. That's what you should be fishing then.
Yeah,
I'll
we can do
rig
that on
this.
the
I'll
next
finish rigging this one, and the next one you just put another pout pounder on.
Yeah.
Yeah, those things are sweet.
They glow too.
They glow?
Yeah.
Nice.
For greasy pout pounder.
Greasy. What a beautiful day. 50 degrees.
Dude, we got dumped down on snow.
I don't miss that at all, bud.
Ridiculous.
I'm done with it. I'll never move back to Michigan. I love Michigan. I love the people. I love
If you're gonna go to Michigan, you might as well be in Menominee. Then it's
I love the fishing. I love the people. I love the attractions. I love the trails. I love everything about it. Will never live there again.
No. Especially them big bastards like that too. They stay down. They're fun.
It's got a bite mark on this one.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, she got a real bite mark.
Well, that can't be a sucker. You think a sucker's gonna put a real bite mark?
I don't know. That's a good question. That's a damn good question. That's a real set right there. This is a monster. It's not that big. Maybe it is a Walter. That's a bank flip. Oh shit! So we're gonna cut that video right there and fast forward to the rest on this day. And then in the next video, I'm gonna put what happened at this very moment. So enjoy the rest of the video. Stay tuned for what happens right here because it was too much to fit into one video. So I'll be on my next one. Thank you everybody for the follow, likes, the comment. I really appreciate that. And I hope you all have a happy Easter and be safe, and we will see you soon.
Maybe a different one.
I think it is a different one.
I'm not gonna say it's the same.
my line in?
That's a sucker. Got a sucker.
Oh yeah. Dude, you just threw that in?
No, that was snagged up with the sturge.
Nice, dude.
That was so snagged
That's a big one.
with the sturgeon. Escanaba River rig.
Oh, Escanaba River rig.
This is the big nasty
It's
trout.
a trout pounder.
Pout pounder.
Pout pounder.
Obviously a sucker pounder. You can buy these at Gwin Bait and Tackle. There you go. It's that easy.
That easy. It ain't easy being greasy.
That easy, babe. Just like that. You gotta flip it over.
Just pull her up.
Set it.
There you go. Boom.
She's gonna be on video.
Right there. Another one. Twofer. All right, we'll get you both on video is what I'm gonna do. Hang on to it. What do you got? You got a... Oh, I thought that was a walleye. No, it's a sucker. Pull him up on shore. Yep, keep pulling, keep pulling. Nice.
How did she do that?
Nice job.
Babe, how did you land that?
What do you got?
I think a big sucker.
Yeah? Well, hey, we got some action going on the Wolf River today, didn't we?
Yeah.
Okay. I gotta finish rigging my rod here, but yeah. On the end, on the end. Go, 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 go. Somebody go. Get him. You got him?
You already know.
You already know.
It's one of the meter size ones.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You got him?
I think so.
I don't know.
He's digging. He's dogging me. It's a burbot.
It's a stone roller. Sucker.
Yeah.
The other ones are mullies. Forward time, hooked up.
Another Walter.
Another redfin Walter. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Pull! Yeah. Get the net. Could be another stone roller. Oh, yeah.
Missed mine. Went to yours. That's the way the burbot did all winter.
Good job. That's a good cast.
That's where you want to be.
Yep, set her down. Perfect.
She said that's a good one. Babe just needs a sturgeon now. It's not asking for much.
This is actually really clean. None of us have snagged yet, I don't think. Like, oh.
That was a burbot pump.
Dude, that was a burbot pump.
That's they dump it. As soon as that sun pops back out. Got one on the end. Sturgeon, it's mine.
Go, go, go. Is he there?
Sturgeon.
Belinda's got a monster.
Yeah, just try
He's gonna, yep, so, and walk towards me in case he goes upriver, he doesn't get in those branches. Good luck. Best of luck.
Got a lot of line.
Yeah, jumper, dude.
That's a nice, good first size one for her.
This is the cherry breaker.
About 48 inches yet.
Wow. Pretty strong, huh?
Yeah.
This is what we wanted. We'll get her to land this one. Baby doing good. Just keep it up. Yeah, you don't gotta rush it. Just nice and slow. Nice and slow. Just
About the size of a musk. That's about a 40 incher, maybe more. Oh, it's more than that. Okay.
We got the tape measure. We could probably measure it.
Good job. I'm gonna tell you what it is right now. It's 42 inches.
Nice.
Gonna get a nice release on it now. Caught your first river monster. And it still goes to spawn another day, or maybe that's a male, who knows.
Whew.
Nice job.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Hell yeah.
that's what I'm talking about. Hey, hell yeah.
Slime time.
Slime time.
We're gonna
Hey,
head
man.
back to the UP.
All right, cool. Hey, you want to close it out, man? Clutch fishing at the Wolf River?
Clutch fishing down at the Wolf River, catching some dinosaurs. Got my baby on her first one, and if you're ever in the UP, come to Gwin Bait and Tackle because we'll hook you up.
That's right, they will.
Good job, Jess.
All the bait today was from Gwin Bait and Tackle.
Yeah.
So, all right, we'll see you guys later.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.